What's up, guys? It's Denny and Lucas with the Garbutt Dumas real estate team, and we absolutely love penthouses.
Oh my God, this top floor corner unit, I cannot wait to show you. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, walk-in closet, gorgeous renovation, so gorgeous, I'm gonna learn how to cook.
Oh, you guys selling something here?
We are.
We're doing the video right now.
Oh, well, you know, we've never met, but I hope do you guys know how good this spot is? You got Queen's Park right here.
We're just about to tell them.
Yeah, is it on the top floor?
It is.
Floor.
Is it 2 bedroom?
Yeah.
Bedroom.
Oh my God, I'm gonna tell everybody now.
While Jamie works on finding us a buyer, we're gonna hang out on this super private patio.
That's right. And in the meantime, go check out Queen's Park, because it is right across the street. The amenities here are unbelievable.